Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Lice, and I know that I look like Hot Mess Express right now. No makeup on, but I did just want to say really quick before I show you today's video, I was going to do the speed decorate with me and then go through and slowly show you everything that I did, but I just don't have time this morning to do that, and it's raining here, which makes it very dark out. So I'm just gonna do that portion hopefully tomorrow or Thursday. So I hope everybody has a good day and enjoys the speed decorate with me.